People, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about credit score and employment, how your credit score can impact job opportunities. So if you guys haven't had this problem before, then it's probably not the video for you. But I want to teach you guys how you can increase your credit score. And then I want to talk to you guys about a client that I had where she was trying to get a special job, and with that job, she had to make sure she had a special credit score. She couldn't have any collections, charge off. She had to make sure her credit was squeaky clean, because your credit is your reputation. And sometimes they see you have certain debts, they just feel like you can be compromised. Now she had like a job she was trying to do, like at the White House or something like that. But I see that a lot of people have these problems with other things too, where they want to check your credit, other jobs too. So I want to just talk to you guys about how to fix that, how to make sure that that's not a problem for you. And also just to warn you guys, because sometimes you're just young, you're just thinking, oh, it's not going to affect me, and it could affect you guys. So I want to teach you guys about these different things so you can avoid it. If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know down in the comments, or you guys can also schedule a call right on my website, Rickita.com. You can click right here to actually schedule a call with me, and I'll be happy to help you all. Now, like I said, this client was trying to get a job at the White House. I have never experienced this before. And I'm like, what you gonna do at the White House? This is cool. But they had collections and charge-offs on their credit reports, and they was like, I cannot get approved like this. I gotta have a certain credit score. I have to make sure that my credit reports is squeaky clean. So just know that certain jobs are going to want you to have a certain credit score, or they're going to want to make sure that your credit is squeaky clean. Even same thing like when you do housing. So she wasn't able to get any housing too when she went over there. She was moving there. She wasn't able to get any housing because of her credit score. So in this case, if you guys have negative accounts, you just need to work to remove them. Like if you have like collections and charge-offs, you need to just work to remove them. And once you get them removed from your credit report, like you have some inquiries here, some more inquiries, a bankruptcy. Once you guys get these different accounts removed from your credit reports, another bankruptcy, then your credit score should go up, and then they're no longer reporting, so that these companies or whoever you're working to get a job with, they don't even know about it. Like they didn't know you had a Navy Federal charge off that you had to get removed. And this one is 3 of them. So yes, they didn't know that you had these different accounts like Discover and things like that. And then bankruptcy again. So they didn't know you had to get those accounts removed. But once you get them removed, then they can't see them anymore. And then also your credit score should go up. So when you go and apply and they have to actually pull your credit, then you'll be able to have a great credit score. Now, we do have certain laws too. So say if you were to get denied and now you watching this video, we do have certain laws that if you go and you fix those things on your credit and they get removed, they're supposed to still tell that company that, hey, we made a mistake, these accounts were removed, especially if they were affecting you in the past. And also what made me really want to get into becoming an attorney was when I seen this guy, he won like 200 and something $1,000 in a lawsuit because he applied for jobs and they did not tell him that they were going to pull his credit to approve to see if they can get him the job. And since they did not tell him that, they violated his rights, and he sued and has settlements with these companies. And I was like, get out of here. Who knew that? So a lot of these companies are supposed to let you know ahead of time that, hey, we're going to look at your credit to decide whether or not we want to approve you or not. So keep that in mind too. Now, I don't want to waste too much time. I want to show you how clients are like getting these collections and things like this removed from the credit reports, even some student loans, Capital One, Credit One, getting these accounts removed from their credit reports. So let's go ahead and check out the dispute letter that I have as an example. You can get these dispute letters for literally less than $5 each, which is amazing, especially knowing that getting a job is very, very important, and literally less than $5. So you have letters for late payments, letters for student loans, for collections, charge-offs, and even for bankruptcy. And then I also have my membership. Now here's that example of the collections. You guys, again, you can just click on right here and get the collection letters. You get 6 of them in this package. It is $27 only. Like, yes. So These collections supposed to remain on your credit for 7.5 years from the last date of activity, but using the letter I'm going to show you, you can get them removed sooner. So this is just when you purchase it, this is what it's going to look like. And you're not going to be able to, we're not going to go over all the letters. I'm just going to show you the first letter, how we filled it out as an example. And if you guys have any questions, definitely watch the full video on how to fill out these letters. I show you guys how to fill out all these letters, so definitely check those out. Now we have 6 letters total. So the first month you want to send out letter number 1 to the credit bureaus, and all of the, this is a collection letter, so all the collections that you have, you're going to list it on this letter. The credit bureaus are going to have 30 days to respond to you. If they don't respond in 30 days, then if they don't do disputes in 30 days, they're going to have to delete it. That's why I tell people to send out all of their letters certified to you guys. These are the certified receipts that I have here. And I literally, every time I go to the post office, I grab a stack of them because I have to help clients send these out. And I send them out certified to make sure that we can track them. But if they don't respond in 30 days, you guys, they have to delete those collections from your credit report. So I do suggest that you send them certified so that you can track it. Now, if they don't delete all of your accounts in the first letter that you send to the credit bureaus, whatever accounts are left, you want to go ahead and do month 2. So you want to mail those letter 2 or 3, depending on whether or not they respond. You will have something at the bottom say, hey, this is if they don't respond. This is if they do respond. Don't respond. It's basically going to say, hey, you had 30 days to respond. You did not. You got to delete these from our credit reports. And the other one is going to say, hey, how did you verify these accounts? These accounts should be removed from our credit reports. That's what that letter is going to be. Show me proof of it. So send that letter to the credit bureaus. And also you want to send letter number 4 to each company that is on your credit report. So look and see, are you sending something to Midland? Are you sending something to LVNV Funding? Are you sending something to Wakefield? Like, who are you sending these? Who are the companies on your credit reports? You want to send letter number 4 to each of those companies. So you want to put that account on each letter. So you want to, if you got 5 collections, 5 different companies, put them all in that 5 different letters and send them all certified. If you have 5 collections, like Portfolio Recovery, you got 5 collections with that one company, then you can list all 5 of those collections on that one letter to Portfolio Recovery. Okay. But that's month number 2. You want to send those out, wait 35 days again. 30 days, and track it. See when your 30 days is there. That's the reason why you send out certified. So when you send out your letter certified, you want to be able to track it. This is what they're tracking. That's a tracking number there at the top. So you can be able to track when they actually got it. So you can go, you can just type this tracking number in Google. It'll literally just pop up too a lot of times. Or you can just put certified mail tracking and then go to the post office website and then put everything in, and then they'll let you know when they actually got it, the date, time, and location where they actually got it. So go ahead and do month number 2. Whatever is left, maybe you have one collection that's left and just holding on for dear life, then go ahead and do month number 3, mail letter number 5 to the credit bureaus, and then mail letter number 6 to each company that's on your credit reports. And then if they don't remove it after month number 3, they have the 30 days to respond. Then file complaints with the Better Business Bureau, the CFPB, and also your attorney general in your state. Okay. And that's going to help you have more leverage to remove that collection. They're going to know you're serious. And then I suggest you send out everything certified, because I had to sue Midland. And because I sent this certified, they know I wasn't playing. So I actually sued them. We settled outside of court. I can't really talk about that settlement. All I can say is I'm happy I did it. I'm happy I know how to do it. And it was definitely worth it. But I sent everything certified. So when I said I was going to sue them and they got that lawsuit, they knew, like, oh, let's settle with this girl, because she really got a good lawsuit on her hands. And if I had an attorney, they would have to pay a lot of money. So they would have rather settle with me. But here's the addresses to the credit bureaus, and then this is where you can get your credit reports from. I do have that link down below. You can get your credit reports for $1 with the 7-day trial. So definitely check that out. That should be in the description. Now, this is an example of the letter. I actually blocked out some of the information. So these X's actually have all the juicy information that's kind of hidden. But you want to go ahead and leave all of this the same. And then these are the accounts right here that we're disputing. Now, what I told people is, you see that the accounts are here. You could put these accounts anywhere. You can put them right here at the top. You can put them right under the first paragraph, the second paragraph under there. Don't put them right here because this basically says, hey, this is my personal information. So don't put them there, or you could put them right here under this last paragraph. So you can put them anywhere, okay? So work to definitely remove those collections by sending out your letters to the credit bureaus and also with any accounts that's on your credit reports. Because like I said too, it's going to hurt you a lot by just having them there. And if you're trying to apply for a job and you know you need to have a certain type of credit, literally you got the letters for less than 27, less than $30. Check it out. And you can also get my free dispute letter right there on my website too, you guys. So definitely check that out. You'll get free dispute letters on my website. Just go to Rickita.com, go down to the bottom, and I have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. And check that out because I have the dispute letter to remove inquiries, collections, charge off, bankruptcies, foreclosures, whatever you have. And then also I have a letter you can send to that collection company that's still mailing you stuff saying you owe them. Okay. So definitely send that out. I just want to show you guys that because I had that client. I'm like, girl, I never hear this. Like, what am I not doing in my life? They have to check my credit. But I guess I had to get my credit checked for certain things. I had to get fingerprints and stuff like that. But it wasn't like, I don't know, maybe my credit just wasn't that bad. They're like, I'm not going to do it for you. But still, I just want you guys to have those opportunities if they're going to check credit. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, go to my website, Rickita.com, and schedule a call right there at the top. You'll see that link. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.